Hi friends, welcome back my video. I am Saju Thomas from Kerala Public School. Today we are going to learn the auxiliary verbs do, does, did. My fifth video about auxiliary verbs. I request you can watch my previous video about the auxiliary verb. Then you will get some ideas. मेरा पहले वाला वीडियो ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब का आप लोग जरूर देख लीजिएगा, तब आप लोगों को कुछ आइडिया और मिल जाएगा. दिस इज फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स. ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स. ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स आर 24. Then today we are going to learn do, does, did. See, look at the board. Do use with the plural subjects. Do use with the plural subjects. Does use with the singular subject. See, do use with the plural subject. I, we, you, they, boys, children, teachers. Does he, she, it, boy, child, God, teachers. Singular means one, plural means more than one. सिंगुलर मीन्स एक है, प्लूरल मीन्स एक से अधिक है. एक से अधिक 2 होगा, 3 होगा, 4 होगा, 5 होगा. लेकिन सी डू यूज विथ प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट्स, डस यूज विथ सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट. दिस मच you can understand. I am going to write some example for you. Some examples are written here. Boys read, I read, you read, he reads. Here is written read, here is written reads. She eats, they eat, we eat. Here eats, here eat only. I am going to tell you the difference. See, first I am going to write a sentence. I play. This is the subject I. This is the verb, main verb. Verb 1. The present form of the verb. I play. This Hindi meaning मैं खेलता हूँ. I play, मैं खेलता हूँ. See, I play. We can write here cricket. I play cricket. मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ. Subject, verb, object. The last video I told you, a sentence need a subject and a verb. No need an object. See, I play cricket. Subject, verb, and object. मैं खेलता हूं. Then he plays cricket. He plays cricket. He is the subject, play is the verb, cricket is object. Subject, verb, object. Two sentences wrote here. Look at those two sentences. See, can you see the auxiliary verb here? No, you cannot see the auxiliary verb here. But the auxiliary verb in this sentence, but it is invisible. अदृश्य है, दृश्य नहीं है. How can we find out the auxiliary verb? We can write this negative. I play cricket. This negative, I do not play cricket. See, the auxiliary verb has come. I play cricket. I do not play cricket. What I said, do use with the plural subject. I, we, you, they, boys, children, and teachers. He plays cricket. Which is the auxiliary verb? Where is the auxiliary verb? We cannot see the auxiliary verb. Only we can see the main verb. Then we can write this negative. See, he does not play cricket. See, in this negative, we are going to write the negative. We can find out the negatives. Does. See, the does used with the he, she, it, boy, the child, girl, teacher mean singular subject. He does not play cricket. Here is written he plays cricket. When the negative come, that time the play only, no need yes. This yes no need. Reason what? We use does here. This sentence we can write another method. He does play cricket. See, we can use this. We can write this method also. He is the subject. Does is an auxiliary verb. Play. Then there is no need yes. Does already come here. That's why no need to write the yes here. But does is not here. We do not mention here. We do not write here. Then it is needed to write yes. Understand? He does play cricket. This means वह क्रिकेट खेलता है. Same time this meaning he plays cricket. वह क्रिकेट खेलता है. Both meanings are same. The one sentence written the auxiliary verb. This sentence is we do not write the auxiliary verb. But auxiliary verb include this place. But we cannot see. It is invisible. The same way of this sentence also the same way. I do play cricket. See, I do play cricket. I play cricket means I do play cricket. What is the reason? When we understand, when we write the negative, that time we can understand that I do not play cricket. He does not play cricket. See the example. He watches TV. Watch is the main verb. Watch. He is the subject. TV is an object. See, he watches TV. वह टीवी देखता है. वह टीवी देखता है. I watch TV. मैं टीवी देखता हूं. She sings a song. वह एक गाना गाती है. See, this sentence we can write this way. He does watch TV. I do watch TV. She does sing a song. We do read newspaper. They do write English. See, look at the word. He watches TV. He does watch TV. That's why no need yes, no need. Does already come here. I watch TV. I do watch TV. She sings a song. She does sing a song. We read a newspaper. We do read a newspaper. They write English. They do write English. Once again I want to tell you, he watch TV. वह टीवी देखता है. I watch TV. मैं टीवी देखता हूँ. She sings a song. वह एक गाना गाती है. We read newspaper. हम न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं. They write English. वे अंग्रेजी लिखते हैं. See, look at the word once again. This is the pattern. Subject, verb, object. See, at the same time, subject, auxiliary verb, main verb, object. See, look at the board. I wrote some sentence here. I shall tell you the meaning. You can write the meaning. See, I think you find out where use do or does. See, Do use with the plural subject, does use with the singular subject. I already explained. See, look at the board again. The positive sentence, the auxiliary verb are invisible. See, in the negative and question sentence, the auxiliary verb visible. I do not play cricket. See the sentence. I. What is written here? I use with do. I do, we do, you do, they do, boys do, children do, teachers do. He does, she does, it does, boys does, child does, girl does, teacher does. See, I do not, we do not, you do not, they do not, the same way. I do not play cricket. मैं क्रिकेट नहीं खेलता हूं. Do you play cricket? Do I play cricket? क्या मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूं? Do you play cricket? क्या तुम क्रिकेट खेलते हो? We can ask many questions. Do you play cricket? Do you come with me? क्या तुम मेरे साथ आते हो? Do you wash your clothes? Do you listen? See, do you play cricket? क्या तुम क्रिकेट खेलते हो? See, do come first. Do you play cricket? He does not play cricket. See, the subject is singular. That's why does used here. Subject is singular, does used here. He does not play cricket. वह क्रिकेट नहीं खेलता है. वह क्रिकेट खेलता नहीं है. Does he play cricket? क्या वो क्रिकेट खेलता है? Does he play cricket? You go to market. You do not go to market. You do not go to market. तुम बाजार नहीं जाता. You do not go to market. Do you go to market? क्या तुम बाजार जाते हो? Raju does not. Raju subject is singular. See, singular means one, plural means more than one. Raju is singular subject. Raju does not teach English. Instead of Raju and Ramu, what we can write? Raju and Ramu do not teach English. Raju does not teach English. Rahul does not sing song. See, this is a singular subject. Does Raju teach English? क्या राजू इंग्लिश पढ़ाता है? She does not wash her clothes. वह अपना कपड़ा साफ नहीं करती है. She does not wash her clothes. Does she wash her clothes? क्या वह अपना कपड़ा धोती है? Does she wash her clothes? You can find out the structure. The first auxiliary verb. The question sentence, first auxiliary verb, last question mark is very essential. This is a negative sentence. She does not. In this sentence, the plural used with do and the singular does. I do not like mango. मैं आम पसंद नहीं करता हूं. Do you like mango? क्या तुम आम पसंद करते हो? मैं अपना से पूछेगा तो ऐसे बोल सकता है. क्या do I like mango? क्या मैं आम पसंद करता हूं? I do not like mango. I like mango. मैं आम पसंद करता हूं. I do not like mango. मैं आम पसंद नहीं करता. Do you like mango? Do you like banana? Do you like apple? See. Then I do not go to school every day. मैं रोज स्कूल नहीं जाता हूं. I go to school every day. मैं रोज स्कूल जाता हूं. I do not go to school every day. मैं रोज स्कूल नहीं जाता हूं. Do you go to school every day? क्या तुम रोज स्कूल जाते हो? Do you go to school every day? क्या तुम रोज स्कूल जाते हो? Do you get up in the morning? क्या तुम रोज सुबह में उठते हो? Do you read newspaper daily? क्या तुम रोज न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग करते हो, पढ़ते हो? Do you watch TV daily? क्या तुम रोज टीवी देखते हो? डू यू प्ले एवरी डे, क्या तुम रोज खेलते हो? डू यू टेक एक्सरसाइज डेली, क्या तुम रोज एक्सरसाइज करते हो? सी, ही डस नॉट स्टडी वेल, ही स्टडीज वेल, वो अच्छा से पढ़ता है। ही डस नॉट स्टडी वेल, दिस इज द नेगेटिव सेंटेंस। डस ही स्टडी वेल, क्या वह अच्छा से पढ़ता है? डस ही स्टडी वेल। डस ही स्पीक इंग्लिश, क्या वह इंग्लिश बोल सकता है? डस ही स्पीक इंग्लिश। डस ही राइट? सी, दिस डॉग डस नॉट बार्क, दिस डॉग, ये कुत्ता भौंकता नहीं है। दिस डॉग डस नॉट बार्क, दिस डॉग बार्क, दिस डॉग बार्क्स, बट दिस डॉग डस नॉट बार्क। डस दिस डॉग बार्क? डस दिस डॉग बार्क, क्या ये कुत्ता भौंकता है? यू डू नॉट लिसन माई वर्ड्स, तुम मेरा बात नहीं सुनता है। यू डू नॉट लिसन माई वर्ड, डू यू लिसन माई वर्ड, क्या तुम मेरा आवाज सुनते हो? क्या तुम मेरा बात सुनते हो? डू यू लिसन माई वर्ड्स? दे डू नॉट ओबे, डू दे ओबे? दे डू नॉट ओबे। लुक एट द वर्ड्स once again. Can you tell me the positive sentence? Try to write the positive sentence. I do not play cricket means I play cricket. The positive sentence. You can write the positive sentence. I think that you got some ideas. Then once again I want to tell you, in the do or does we use with a simple present tense, means simple indefinite tense. Present indefinite means simple present tense. In the simple present tense, subject, verb, object. The do or does we use in the negative and question sentence. And the positive sentence, the do or does is invisible, but in the negative sentence we can see the do or does visible. See, very simple to study do or does. We can look at the board again. WH questions. See, when do you get up in the morning every day? See, first write the W question and then auxiliary verb. Then the subject. When do you get up in the morning every day? तुम रोज कितना बजे उठते हो? When do you get up in the morning? Can you tell me? When do you get up in the morning? When do you go to school? Every day. Otherwise daily. When do you go to school? तुम कब स्कूल जाते हो? When do you go to school every day? तुम रोज स्कूल कब जाते हो? When do you come back from school? तुम स्कूल से कब वापस आते हो? When does he go to school? वह कब स्कूल जाता है? See, in this you can write another subject. In here is you written, that's why do. We also you, they also you. Suppose he write here, you can write here does. She write here, you can write here does. And Raju, Rahul, Ramu, boy, girl, singular subjects, you can write does here, and plural subject you can write do here. See, when do you go get up in the morning? When does Raju get up in the morning? When does he get up in the morning? When does she get up in the morning? When do they get up in the morning? When do we get up in the morning? When do Raju and Ramu get up in the morning? See, the plural we can write here do, and singular we can write it as here. Look at the board again. When do you go to school? When do you come back from school? When do you go to play every day? तुम रोज कितना बजे नहीं तो कब खेलने जाते हो? What do you do there? तुम वहां क्या करते हो? What do you do there? What does he do there? What does she do there? See, what does he do there? Why do you disturb me? तुम क्यों मुझे परेशान करते हो? Why do you disturb me? Why do you disturb him? Why he disturb us? Why he disturb me? Why he disturb her? We can ask. Why do you disturb me? तुम क्यों मुझे परेशान करते हो? Why means क्यों? तुम क्यों मुझे परेशान करते हो? How do you go to school? तुम कैसे स्कूल जाते हो? I go to school by bicycle. I go to school on foot. I go to school by school bus. See, how do you go to school? How do you do? तुम कैसे करते हो? How do you come back? तुम कैसे वापस आते हो? See, in we can write here do in the according to the subject we can change do or does. How does he go to school? वह कैसे स्कूल जाता है? Which pen do you like? In the which we can need a noun here. Which pen do you like? कौन सा पेन तुम पसंद करते हो? Which fruit does he like? कौन सा फल वो पसंद करता है? See, these ways we can make the WHO questions. I think you understood the usage of do or does. If you need more explanation, you can make our comment box also. See, we are going to learn the next did. See, look at the word use did. Did use with all subject. All subject. I, we, you, he, she, it, they, Raju, Rahul, Ramu, boy, boys, child, children, all subject. Simple past. Simple past. See, we can write the structure also here. Subject plus verb past form. We can call the second form of the verb. Means past form of the verb. Play, played, played, playing, plays. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 forms in a verb. The last class I explained. See, the second form. This is the present form. We can also say the root form and base form. Present form, past participle form, present participle form and simple form. Write, wrote, written, writing, writes. Ring, rang, rang, ringing, rings. Play, played, played, plays, playing, plays. See, the second form of the verb. I is the subject, played is the verb. I played cricket. I did not write here the object. Subject plus verb 2. I played. I played cricket. मैं क्रिकेट खेला था. I played cricket means मैं क्रिकेट खेला, मतलब the past. I played means I did play. In this sentence also we cannot see the auxiliary verb. Can you see the auxiliary verb? Any auxiliary verb? No auxiliary verb. But in this auxiliary verb visible. We can write this sentence this way. I did play. It means already. See, I played, I did play. मैंने खेल लिया, मैं खेला मीन्स थोड़ा पहले, कुछ दिन पहले the action is completed. See, we completed, we did complete. We cannot see the auxiliary verb inside, but auxiliary verb is invisible. But when we write, we can write this way: we did complete. You received, you did you received, you did receive. Where the did comes, we can understand that sentence is past sentence. कहाँ डिड हम लोग देखेगा, हम लोग समझना चाहिए दिस एक्शन ये पूरा हो चुका, पूरा हो गया. सी, आई रिसीव्ड मैं प्राप्त किया, आई रिसीव्ड, आई डिड रिसीव मैंने प्राप्त किया, मतलब मुझे मिला. ही रोट वह लिखा, ही रोट ए लेटर वह एक पत्री लिखा. ही डिड राइट ए लेटर वह एक पत्री लिखा. ही रोट, he did write. She sang, she did sing. Look at the example. He came, वह आया. He went, वह गया. See, look at the word again. I played, I did play. We completed, we did complete. You received, you did receive. He wrote, he did write. Use of did. Subject plus verb second form plus object. He called me. उसने मुझे बुलाया. He phoned me. उसने मुझे फोन किया. He called me. He phoned me. This is the subject, this is the verb second form. See, he did not call me. उसने मुझे नहीं बुलाया. Then we can see the use of did. Did not. He did not call me. He did not phone me. Did he call me? Or did he call me? Did he call you? See, I saw him yesterday. मैंने उसे कल देखा. I saw him yesterday. Then I saw the verb second form. I did not see him yesterday. When the did come, then in the verb first form we must write. Not again. Where the did we can see. Did हम लोग को कहाँ हम लोग देखता है. इसके बाद उसका वर्ब का केवल प्रेजेंट फॉर्म लिखना है. फर्स्ट फॉर्म. I did not see him yesterday. I saw him yesterday. मैंने उसे कल देखा. I did not see him yesterday. मैंने उसे कल नहीं देखा. Did you see him yesterday? क्या तुम उसे कल देखा? Did you see him yesterday? Did you see him yesterday? Did you call me? Did you phone me? Did you bring? He washed his clothes. He did not wash his clothes. Subject verb to. See, he washed his clothes. He did not wash his clothes. After the did the verb must be what? Present form of the verb. He did not wash his clothes. Did he wash his clothes? Then we can write the W or H questions. W or H questions. Why did you call me? तुम क्यों मुझे बुलाया? तुम क्यों मुझे फोन किया? Why did you call me? How did you come here? तुम कैसे यहाँ आया? How did you come here? Which car did you buy? तुम कौन सा कार खरीदा? Which car did you buy? Which car did you buy? I bought. I bought. Swift Desire car. Which car did you buy? Then we can give the reply I bought. मैंने खरीदा. See, I is the subject, bought is the verb second. I bought. I bought. See, where did he go? He went to market. He went. He went to market. See, why did you call me? I called you. How did you come here? I came here by bus. I came here on foot. I came here by bicycle. See, then I think you got some idea about do, does and did. If you have any doubt, you can make the comment box. See, then I am basically from Kerala. That's why I have some mistake of Hindi language. I learned Hindi. Sometimes, see, the writing sometimes make some mistake. See, then you can understand what is the way. How can we use do, does and did. If you have any doubt, you can make it the comments. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. You can watch our next video. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks.